This time we're going to build up a library of brushes that we can use to represent stitching, different types of stitching, trims and effects. I'm going to start with something very simple. Let's start with a zip to go with our zip template symbols here. Literally. I'm going to make this out of 2 rectangles. And to just slightly offset. Select both and drag them onto the brushes menu. I'm going to choose pattern brush because I don't want it to scatter about. I want it to be able to use it in a straight line. Okay, and it's going to show me what the brush is going to look like. I'm going to turn off corners, so none for the corners, because zips don't really go around corners. And choose OK. And now if I take the brush, I can create a zip pattern. I can turn down the stroke size the same as I would with anything else. I could go back in and recolour this if I wanted to. In this tutorial, we're going to make a slightly more complicated shape. Because we'll need to carefully think about spacing when we come to make the interlocking parts of the zip. I'm just going to lock the reference layer, create a new layer to work on. And use the pen tool, this, and choose any of these zip teeth. Just try and pick one that looks straight and quite clear. I'm just going to draw around half of it. Select it, C to copy, Command F to paste in front, locate the reflect tool and reflect vertically. Just drop it in place. Select the two top anchor points there. Object, path, average, choose both axes to put them together. Object, path, join. I've just chosen to convert the anchor point to smooth there so that it rounds it off. Do the same with the bottom. Object, path, average, both axes. Object, path, join. Select the object, drag it into the brush palette, choose pattern brush, OK. Turn off the corners because zips don't have corners. And choose OK. That gives us a range of zip teeth. Create another one. Just flip it upside down. Create a new pattern brush from there. Turn off the corners. I'll give me the other side of the zip. To make the zip double, I actually need a full piece. I'm just going to select the bit that I want to turn into the brush so that I get a seamless edge to edge. If I send that to the back, select the whole bit, click it in, pattern brush, done. Okay. And depending on how carefully I've matched up the gaps here will be how well I get a final zip. Between all those parts now, I can preload my zip symbols. I can create a line for my zip. I can create both sides. Move them slightly. I can locate the zip symbol. And add it in.